You've seen this on every engine oil bottle. 10W30, 10W60, 20W50, even a 5W40. What does this actually mean? And more importantly, are you using the right engine oil for your bike? Most riders follow what the mechanic says or whatever oil is available. But engine oil is not just oil. It directly affects how you ride your bike, the heat, and how much it lasts. So let's break this down in the simplest way possible. Let's start. In the 10W, the W stands for winter. This tells us how the oil behaves when the engine is cold. 10 being the lower number tells us how the oil will flow easier. Lower number equals oil flows easier when you start the bike. Now 30. This tells us how the oil behaves when the engine is running hot. Higher number equals thicker oil at higher temperature. This is what protects when your engine heats up. Think of it like this. The first number equals cold start behavior. Second number is how the bike performs when the temperature rises. That's it. Now, let's bring this to real life situation. India, we ride in high temperature, stop and go traffic and long idling conditions. So your engine is always almost hot. So the second number is very important, way more than you think. If the engine oil is too thin, which means the second number is less than recommended. Less protection at high speeds and your engine wears off faster. If the engine oil is too thick, more than the recommended, then engine feels heavy and reduced fuel efficiency. Wrong oil doesn't fail instantly. It slowly damages your engine. Simple rule, start with the owner's manual. The manufacturer always recommends the right oil for your bike. So stick to that, which is the best solution for you. You can also adjust your engine oil based on your usage. City traffic, stick with the manufacturer recommended oil. Heavy traffic or heated conditions like this Gurgaon temperatures, which is pretty high, you can use something a little more higher, which helps for your engine. In touring, you need stability. So stability matters way more. The best advice is don't guess. Understand what your bike needs and how you ride, based on which you can make the best choice for yourself. Most riders think the most expensive oil is the best for your bike and will extract better performance. That's not true. Right oil matters more than the expensive oil. Engine oil is not complicated, but ignoring it is expensive. Use the right engine oil grade and your bike will thank you for it later. We at Pathpavers, if you ask us, would recommend to use based on the ambient temperature of your living situation. Basically, in India, the temperatures are pretty high. So what we would recommend is a 10W50, which works best. But for that, you need to check with your owner's manual as well as your manufacturer technician as well. So you guys can comment and let me know what oil grade is your bike using, which bike do you use, and could you also tell me which is the only manufacturer in India which uses a 10W60 in their bikes? Comment below. Ride smart, ride safe. We'll see you in the next one at Throttle Edge.